Good morning. I'm Mayor Jimal Parayna Gabiola. Today, I will represent the dichotomous key leaves. To classify kangkong, alugbati, green onion, parsley, malunggay, and coriander, we can use botanical classifications. This classification is based on plant family, genus, and species. The leaf type of alugbati, kangkong, green onion are simple, and the leaf type of parsley, malunggay, and coriander are compound. Kangkong, leaf type is simple, leaf shape is arrowhead, scientific name is Opomea aquatica. Texture, soft and smooth. Growth habits, creeping or trailing vine. Details, can grow horizontally over water or moist soil. Hollow stems help it float in water. Color, bright green. Alugbati, leaf type is simple. Leaf shape, heart shape or oval. Scientific name, Bacilla alba. Texture, thick and fleshy. Growth habits, climbing or twining vine. Details, vigorous succulent vine. Needs support to grow vertically. Can also trail along the ground. Color, dark green or purplish. Green onion, leaf type is simple. Leaf shape, tubular or hollow. Scientific name, Allium pistulosum. Texture, smooth and firm. Growth habits, clumping herb. Color, bright green. Details, grows upright in tufts or clumps. Does not vine or creep. Roots shallowly and forms. Parsley, leaf type, compound. Leaf shape, curled. Scientific name, Protoscillium crispum. Texture, smooth. Growth habits, low-growing, rosette-forming herb. Details, typically 30 to 60 cm tall. Biennial, produces leaves in year 1, flowers in year 2. Used for leaves in culinary applications. Color, bright to dark green. Malunggay, leaf type, compound. Leaf shape, small or oval leaflets. Scientific name, Moringa oleifera. Texture, thin. Growth habits, small to medium-sized tree. Details, grows upright as a woody, fast-growing tree. Can reach up to 10 to 12 meters tall. Drought tolerant and commonly grown in tropical regions. Color, light to medium green. Coriander, leaf type is compound. Leaf shape, lobe or fan shape. Scientific name, Coriandrum sativum. Texture, soft. Growth habits, upright, bushy, annual herb. Details, grows erect and bushy, up to 50 to 60 cm tall. Leaves form in a basal rosette, later sending up flower. Stalks, grows quickly and completes its life cycle within a few months. Color, medium green. Medicinal properties of kangkong. Mild laxative, helps relieve constipation due to its high fiber. Cooling and anti-inflammatory, used to reduce fever and inflammation. Antioxidant, rich in vitamins A and C. Anti-diabetic potential, may help lower blood sugar. Medicinal properties of alugbati. Laxative and demulcent. Its mucilage soothes the digestive tract and helps with constipation. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce swelling and skin irritation. Rich in iron and calcium, useful for anemia and bone health. Wound healing, promotes tissue repair when used as poultice. Medicinal properties of green onions. Antibacterial and antiviral, due to sulfur compounds like allicin. Expectorant, helps in relieving coughs and cleaning mucus. Cardiovascular support, may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Digestive aid, stimulates appetite and digestion. Medicinal properties of parsley. Diuretic, promotes urine production, helps flush out toxins. Anti-inflammatory, reduces swelling and inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, contains vitamin C, flavonoids, and opiginin. Digestive aid, helps reduce bloating and indigestion. Antimicrobial, fights certain bacteria and fungi. Medicinal properties of malunggay. Nutrient powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, E, calcium, iron, and protein. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, helps reduce oxidative stress. Antimicrobial, fights infections and supports immune function. Blood sugar regulation, may help manage diabetes. Lactation enhancer, boosts breast milk production. Medicinal properties of coriander. Digestive aid, reduces bloating, gas, and indigestion. Anti-anxiety and calming, mild sedative effect. Detoxifying, may help remove heavy metals from the body. Blood sugar and cholesterol, lowering, traditional use in diabetes. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, beneficial for skin and gut health. The dichotomous key leaves. These are kangkong, alugbati, green onions, parsley, malunggay, and coriander. Thank you for watching. I'm Mayor Jemel Paraino Gaviola. Have a nice day.